I see a red door and I want to paint it black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by dressed in the summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I see a line of cars and they're all painted black, with flowers and my love boat never to come back. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away. Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. I see my red door and I want to paint it black. Maybe then I'll fade away and not have to face the facts. It's not easy facing up when the whole world is in black. No more will my green sea turn into deeper blue. I could warn not foresee days happening to you. If I look hard enough into this setting sun, my love will love with me before the morning comes. I see a red door and I want to paint it black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by dressed in the summer clothes. I have to turn my head until the darkness goes. Wanna see you painted, painted, painted black. 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 Whoa.
Grazzi.
Illum għażiltilna donna